Have you got into council tax arrears, and are you worrying about what might happen next? I'll talk you step by step through the processes and suggest a way to keep the bailiffs at bay. You can't avoid paying your council tax because it's a priority debt and the council has strong powers to make you pay. This means that you should pay council tax before paying non-priority debts like credit cards or unsecured loans. If you fall behind with your council tax payments, the council may apply to the magistrate's court to make a liability order. Now, this is a court order that states that you owe council tax but haven't paid it. The council will also add on any court costs that they've had to pay. The council can ask for a liability order to be made against the person that they sent the original bill to. If another person is also responsible for paying the bill, the council can ask for a liability order against both people. If you're having trouble keeping up with your council tax payments, don't stop paying. Contact your council and explain that you're having difficulty. They may be able to agree to a new payment plan with you. If you do this quickly, the council might not apply for a liability order. Once the council has obtained a liability order, there's no time limit for enforcing it. However, if the council took a long time to get the liability order or a long time to ask you to pay, then you could complain. If the council gets a liability order and you don't pay the amount stated, they can ask you to give them certain information. This is called an information request. The council can use this information to decide how to recover the unpaid council tax. The council must ask you for this information in writing, and you have 14 days to give the council these details. It's a criminal offence not to respond or to provide false information. You can make an offer of payment to the council at any time before they use enforcement action. Making an offer could stop further action from happening. Use your budget to work out how much you can afford to offer the council each month to pay towards your council tax arrears. Send your budget along with how you worked it out and your offer of payment to the council as soon as possible. Start making your payments straight away. Remember to check whether you're entitled to a reduction or discount on your council tax bill. If you've already applied for a reduction or discount and you're still waiting for a decision, tell the council when you make your offer of payment. Once the council has obtained a liability order in your name, they can take further action against you. This is called enforcement action and can include using bailiffs to try and take your goods, making deductions from earnings, making deductions from benefits, charging orders, which is where the debt's secured on a property you own, bankruptcy, and imprisonment. Although there are different types of enforcement action, most councils prefer to use bailiffs or deductions from earnings to try and recover unpaid council tax. The best thing to do if you're in council tax arrears is to communicate with them. Ignoring it will just make matters worse. If you feel like your debts are getting on top of you, then it might be worth looking into debt solutions. Some of them will lower your monthly repayments and others can even write off some of your debt depending on your unique situation. I've linked to a form on my new website. It's just under this video and it's got a few multiple choice questions like how much debt do you owe and how many people do you owe? At the end of the form, it'll connect you to a company that I've partnered with to provide you with all the information that you need about debt solutions that are available. So click the link below, go and check it out and let me know how you get on.